we're going to create a file service.py. We are going to create all of our prompts, resources and tool in this file. Then we are going to export it to another file so we can use it for HTTP streamable STDIO separately. So let's work on this. MCP is equal from MCP dot server. Let me just install this MCP. Go to this website modelcontextprotocol.io. From here you can find this SDKs and I'll select Python since all of our code will be written with Python. Therefore I'm going to use Python. And here this is the process for installation. I'm going to just copy this and paste it here. Now we can import it properly. mcp.server.fast mcp import fast mcp here, fast mcp, and the type will be any. I'm going to import this any type from typing. From typing import any. Here the first parameter will be the name of the server. Let's keep it Google Calendar Service. Then we are going to set JSON response. JSON response is equal to, so we'll get all of our response in JSON format. Here I'm going to declare our very first MCP tool, mcp.tool, and with this tool we are going to create an event in the calendar. Create calendar event. The first parameter will be summary and this is type of string. Then the second parameter will be date. This is also type of string. Then the third one will be start time and this is and end time. Then here I'm going to combine date. Let's combine the date and make it in proper ISO format. Start ISO is equal, this is going to be a string, date and t start time. Let me just copy this and paste it below, and this is going to be end time. Ctrl D for multiple selection, end time. And in case of Python we are going to need to add this 00z. Let me just copy this and paste it below here. And here I'm going to create the event, create underscore event. This create event will be imported from this calendar service which we have created earlier, and then here it will take summary, then the start ISO, and let me just get rid of this equal signs, then end ISO, then description will be description, and we need to return it so we can see whether it is created successfully or not. I'm going to create another file to call this tool. I'm going to use the method of STDIO. So therefore I'm just going to write it server, name it server stdio.py. Here I'm going to import MCP from server import MCP, and then let me just copy this line from here and paste it here. Instead of main, I'm just going to make it mcp.run transport is going to be STDIO. What actually we are doing is running the MCP server with STDIO transport, by which import and output happen directly in the terminal or command line.